Airtec High-Class Motor Cleaner. High-Class Motor Cleaner is for all gasoline and diesel engines, manual transmissions, differentials, air compressors, as well as other units with oil lubrication. High-Class Motor Cleaner cleans the oil and lubrication system, removes deposits on pistons and piston ring grooves, cleans oil pipes, bores and filters by completely dissolving grime and sludge, and prevents varnish formation on hot metals. Advantages: increases compression, reduces wear, improves engine power, minimizes running noise, helps reduce emissions, neutralizes harmful oleic acids, reduces fuel and oil consumption, extends catalytic converter and DPF lifespans. Airtec High-Class Motor Cleaner.